recently my son was involved in an accident. He was hit from behind. It was a hit-and-run driver. We have it on dash cam video as well. But our insurance company is wanting to actually total our vehicle. We still owe money on it. And the other driver has no insurance. So do we have any repercussions? Because we're still going to owe money on our vehicle.
Sure. Lisa, that's a good question. I don't know if Matt needs numbers about how much more you owe and all of that, but totaling it would pay a good portion of what's left, I assume.
Yeah, I tell folks, your car is always worth more to you than it is to the insurance company. Yeah. And you see that especially when you start, having some years on your vehicle, it's really lost its value. Yeah. And most insurance companies, they simply look at Kelley Blue Book, and even if you give the best condition, that's often less than what you owe on a vehicle. Well, there's something out there called gap insurance, which you can purchase, most people don't, which will pick up the difference between what you owe and what the insurance company is willing to pay you. But Lisa, here's my advice, and this is what I tell clients all the time, especially if your son was injured, okay, is that's where you make up the difference. Because where there is somewhat of a locked-in formula on property damage, when it comes to physical injury, there's a lot more leeway there. And I tell people all the time, look, you may not get exactly what you want on the property damage, but look at it at like the big picture. And the big picture is, if you walk away being compensated for your injuries and the vehicle, you got where you wanted to go. Lisa, you can make a claim against your own insurance company, okay? Mm-hmm. That can be both for injury and damage. If it's only for the damage to the vehicle, you're limited to just filing it against whether you have comprehensive coverage on that vehicle. Or if there's an injury, you can file on what's called your uninsured motorist coverage. That person didn't have insurance, you can file on that. And at least if you've got 3 cars, you get to add those together. So it may be a situation, Lisa, where you want to give a lawyer a call.